Hey guys, this is Nina Perez. This is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from FAT to PHAT. It's cold. It's 45 degrees.
Yeah.
Although he already has us working out, so I'm already sweating. But anyway, I am Nina Perez. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. This is an amazing group behind us. They showed up even in the cold.
The two bands, the bands and the balls keep working. You guys, go again. Go again.
Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Make sure that you click the subscribe button and click the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. We have like cooking shows on there and experts coming on, and we have like all these workouts, so please join our healthy community. Don't forget to pick up your journal. Your journal is on Amazon, and also go on there and pick up some great new merch we got going on. PJ,
That's it. Listen,
what's going on?
It was cold today. I was thinking about sleeping in.
So were we.
What?
So were
We're out
we.
here. We're gonna keep it moving. When you're cold and the temperatures start coming down, you got to keep the body moving. Trust me, they won't feel this cold in a few minutes. They'll be like, "Woo,
I already
am hot."
don't. Yeah,
That's it.
I'm already hot.
So we're gonna keep it going. We got inertia bands. We have little resistance bands. We have med balls, and we're gonna do some stadium running on the stairs. So we will catch you on the flip side.
We'll be back.
That's it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. PJ warmed us
still
up.
cold?
Nope. I am actually boiling right now. Thank you so much, bro.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. This was a lot of fun. If you guys haven't joined us yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Winter's coming. They make winter gear.
That's
and
right.
honestly, after you work out for a while, you don't feel the cold anymore. My husband actually is behind the camera. He still feels it because he's not working out with us. So, oh well. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click the like and the little bell notification so you get notified. I'm going to put up a good video. I just made a Indian fish curry with a friend of mine yesterday. Very nice and healthy. And that's going to be coming up in a couple of days. And then also I have like braised leeks on there, some almond chocolate chip cookies. They were keto.
Okay.
Very good. It was delicious. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Nina Perez. PJ, you worked this out today, bro.
That's it. You know,
Yeah.
we just kept it moving. We did the stadium stairs. Rest time was very minimal today, and
Yeah.
we just keep the body moving, keep the body warm, and we went through head to toe on body parts.
It was awesome.
There
Thank
you
you
go.
so much.
We tried.
This is PJ, your fitness concierge. If you guys want to contact him, I will link his information below. Make sure that you guys get in contact with him if you want any kind of personal fitness thing going on. He even does coaching, I think, too,
Yes,
right?
I do.
Does all kinds of things. This man is always moving. Me, I'm going home and have my protein shake and sit up for a minute and try to take a chill pill. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.